And it probably did. So whenever we went from 300, we're talking in millimeters. So roughly a good rule of thumb is 25 millimeters is an inch. Yeah, so you might have some teach pendant things that are a little bit different, because like this step button is over here versus a lot of times the step button is over here. So some of your buttons might be in a different position. So shift, step. So you can see up here in the top, these are your indicators, whether you're in step mode or not. So you can see it toggling at the top there. So we want to be in step mode, because if not, it's going to just run through the program. So I just put in step mode, I jogged the robot down, and now we can kind of look at where the robot's position it. So I would say, like, the word for this is I just forwarded through the program. I forwarded through the program and I tested the position that I just wrote. So now I'm just looking at that. I need to be over here. So this position is completely off from where I actually need to be. You know, I can go ahead and just go in here real quick and mess around with this position. By the way, notice this is really just a RoboGuide issue, but like, see how I'm clicking my cursor around and it's going to the beginning and the end? It's because the shift key's held down. You'll make this mistake like 1,000 times. But yeah, so I turn that off and then I can go here. I'll go to position again. And then I need to zoom out from the robot to see where the base of the robot is. So once you know the base of the robot, then you know your X, Y, Z, if this is in world frame. So if we're in world frame, the robot's facing me, or facing us, however you're looking at this, but which means X is facing towards me. And then Y is facing away from this fixturing. So Y positive is this direction, X is this direction, and then obviously Z positive there. So the reason for that is now, like, I notice the robot is off in this direction here. So I know that if this is a positive and I need to go over some more, I'll zoom in again. I'll see, like, okay, like how many millimeters do you think this is? Maybe 50 or 75 millimeters, okay? So going with my right-hand rule, that means positive is this way. So I need to go in the negative direction towards the part. So with that being said, if I need to go to the negative direction, let's say 75 millimeters, I'll just also say with rough positioning, this is negative 1950.